Hey, stop! This is not a movie. Let's go again.
Hello guys, are you a student? I know how difficult it is to get money in school. Yes, let's talk about how we're going to make money as a student in school, which was what I did. And I made a lot of money from it. Some worked for me, some didn't, but majorly I kept making money. There are things that you cannot even tell your parents that you need money for in school. Yes, I had girlfriends. You know, you go get girlfriend, all those kind of things. So let's not even go there. Let's get into the video. So, but do not forget, if you're enjoying this video, please click on the like button, that's the thumbs up button. Then subscribe to my channel, please. I would appreciate it. Clicking on the notification bell so that you can receive updates on my videos as they come in. I would appreciate it too. Now, beg at the beg. Thank you so much. Let's get into the video. Bye.
Zombie apocalypse.
Do you know you can actually do different kind of businesses in school, like a lot of them? I give you 15 businesses you can do. These are very, very workable. So let's get into it. The first business you can start is tailoring. That's if you learn the skill, if you have the skill of tailoring. And guess what? You can actually have the skill of tailoring even while you're in school. As you're doing your studies, when you get home, just subscribe. From the little money your guidance gives to you, subscribe internet, open your YouTube, start browsing how to sew some clothes, how to sew some designs. And guess what? You must not be a professional tailor to make money in school. You can actually invest your own money, buy some materials, sew a particular design of your choice. It could be caps, it could be shirts, it could be crop tops, anything you think you can sew. It could be short knickers and singlets, anything at all that will be very branded and unique for your brand. Probably write the name of your brand there. You're going to make a lot of money from school. If you want kill and kwata of them all, is when you do these things and you do them in multiple, like do 20. You can start with 10, sew 10, maybe buy 60 yards or 10 yards of any materials or different plain materials and use them to sew new trends of clothes that will sell and carry them to your school. You know how populated schools can be. So there are opportunities and monies everywhere. Everybody receives money from their guardians and parents to pay school fees, and all students add extras to their school fees to make more money, so that they will be able to manage themselves as well. You understand what I'm saying now? We did these things, we don't do all these things before. So that's one. Tailoring. The second way you can make money in school is through hair making. Stylist. You are good at styling, making hairs, braiding, and all of that. It is a good way you can make money in school. You can actually gather some people to teach them in school, and they'll pay you for learning this work. And you can as well print flyers or do a little advert video and share to your class rep to help you promote on the WhatsApp group for hairstylists and whoever that wants to make hair, any style of your choice and all of that. So you can do this as well and start making money. In school, it will pay you massively because there are a lot of population in school. Trust me, any business you venture into in school, you're going to make money from it. So the next way you can make money in school is cooking, catering. Most ladies knows how to cook, but the problem is everybody is lazy and doesn't want to do these things. But guess what? This is the strategy for it. Look for a special delicacy, not just regular food like rice and beans and all of those things. Yes, there are canteens for those ones, but look for special delicacies that you can cook. Now, cook, package well packaged. Look for your package, design the brand, possibly print a sticker on your plate, and go and give one of your lecturers. Just tell them that yes, this is what you're into. You do cooking and all of that. That is where your business starts from. If they need food, they'll just call you. Hello, I need so particular food. Yes, you might be needing some extra hands in addition. Yes, which is why you need to make friends as well. Of course, everybody has friends in school, so you look for your friends that are actually available and can help you on this, so you guys can swap periods of time. The period you are busy or you're in class, he or she can keep the business running while you are. You understand? So this is business strategy. These are strategies you can actually implement in school. So that is the third thing you can do, making money in school. Let's go to the fourth one. The fourth one, guys, is baking. If you know how to bake, you have the skill, you're good at it. If you're not good at it, you can learn it on YouTube. There are videos on how to bake. Even if you don't know how to bake cakes, you mustn't know how to bake cakes. Guess what? There are other things you can bake in school that will profit you maximally. Chim chim. It shock you. Meat pie, donuts, all of these things. Bake something in multitude. Take them to school for sale. 100 naira, 50 naira, 200 naira, 150. Or take it to a canteen where if you do not want to be involved and don't want to stress yourself in these things, go to a canteen, partner with one of the shop owners there, give your rubber to them and tell them to help you sell this chin chin. This is the amount you sell them, 15 naira or 17 naira. Let them sell it for 15 naira, but they get 10 naira for every sales. They are going to be making, they'll be happy to work with you. Make sure your chin chin is classic and sweet. Put your brand, your phone number, just in case any students find interest in your chin chin and wants to patronize. So there There are other things you can actually do apart from chin-chin, shortbread, donuts, and any other thing at all. Just think of something and come up with something. Trust me guys, you will not be troubling your parents so much for bills. Let's get into the next one. Photography. Yes, get a good phone or find a good camera. Whichever way, you have to learn how to do photo editing. Very, very necessary. And you can also learn these things on YouTube. The major point of this video is telling you that you can actually learn any skill and make money from it while you're in school. Forget the age. Age is just a number. You can make money at this your age now. Like, you can still make a lot of money and build your brand from there. So imagine you start taking photos from school and people admire your photography and all of that, and before you know, voila, after school they will still call you for weddings, videos, they will still call you. So that's where you've already created that awareness. If you want to kill the top notch, just build a website or a social media handle for it, so that your students will know, this guy, this is what he does, and he's very, very popular with it. You understand my point now? You understand me now? Let's get to the next one. The next way students can make money in school is through reselling of clothes. You buy clothes from your area or wherever you know it's cheaper or quicker, low graded clothes, and take them to school and resell. On special days, students should get familiar to know that, okay, this particular day this guy always brings some clothes that we can actually see some good stuff to buy from. So that one actually is a very, very good way of making more money. So please, whatever you're doing, please do it best, do it well, and put your best efforts to make good profits. Let's get to the next one. The next thing students can make money with in school is web design or application design. That's for the computer science students that are in school and maybe have had basic knowledge of web development using WordPress or any of these website development platforms and frameworks. Learn this web development and use it to make money in school. It pays massively. The next business students should do in school to make money is cryptocurrency. Everybody can do cryptocurrency. Everybody can buy and sell cryptos. Cryptocurrency is one of the best ways to make money. Yes, one of the best ways to make money. I'm dropping a link in the description below for those that want to open crypto accounts and start buying and selling. You can use Paxful, you can use any other platform, you can use Binance. There are several platforms you can actually buy and sell cryptos from. So if you want to start now. No time to waste. Let's get to the next stage. How many businesses are on top? The next business is selling of honey. Yes, honey. Very scarce in school. It helps you grow your brain, helps you become more intelligent. So students need honey. If you're able to get where you can buy this honey at much quantity and distribute into smaller quantities, go to school and sell these things in your school, you're going to make more money from it. This is an idea for you. Rush it now, so they ought sharp. Please, if you enjoyed the videos, do not forget to click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, then the notification bell to receive updates on every video that I post on YouTube. Thank you so much, guys. Let's get into the next one. The next business students should do is selling of artwork. Selling artwork, painting, any kind of artwork. If you're creative, you're crafty, if you know how to draw, you can draw and sell. It's a lot of money, 10,000, 15,000 per painting, per drawing. So you can imagine how much you're going to make in school. So if you have passion for these things, it's something you can make money from. The next business they should do to make money from is production of organic creams. Organic creams are easy to produce. All you need to know is watch videos and get to know the names of the chemicals. There are videos on YouTube that will teach you those names that you will buy to produce these organic creams. And natural resources that you will be using, like aloe vera and all of these other things for creams, the oils and what have you. Search on YouTube on how to produce these organic creams so that you can use them. Follow the step-by-step procedure. Start producing your own cream, create a package for it, create your brand, print a label, build a website, post social media handles for this particular brand. Even if it's just one particular organic cream you're going to be doing for your students, they are going to be pleased with it. Organic cream that is going to work very well. At least keep the skin nutritious and flourishing. What is the next business students can do to make money from? Buying and reselling of general products. Any product at all. You're going to school, you branch a boutique, you branch a phone accessory store or market. Buy lots and lots of phone accessories and any other thing like that. Take them to school and tell them you sell these things. Anything particularly that you can sell. Buy things students will be interested in. Even if it's books, you can buy and sell exercise books in school. Some special kind of exercise books that are looking fanciful, like this one I have here, and so many others like that. You can actually buy them in multitudes and decide to go and sell in school. You know how much you're going to sell them. Buy different kind of soap and go and sell in school and tell them that this soap is top notch. If you cannot do your creams, then you can buy and sell soaps. So majorly is buying of products from home and selling in school. You add your transport, you add your expenses, and everybody will be fine. Students will be happy and you will be happy. You will patronize as well. But every business or anything you're going into, I would suggest and always advise that you should have a platform that you can gather your clients and customers. Next thing students can do in school to make money is repairing of phones and computers. For the computer science, computer gurus out there that knows how to do repairs. This is for you. You're going to make a lot of money repairing gadgets in school. Anybody's computer is faulty, they know the one person that can do it, the one person that can know the magic. So they'll call you, they'll reach you, and remember, every student will search where to repair a computer in so school, Fed Poly, and the next person they should see, the next link they should have is yours. So I'm giving you this idea now so that you can go and quickly create that content, create that platform online. Imagine how many populations you have in your school. They search for one particular niche and they find you there. They will look for you, they will call you. Hello, please, I saw your number online. I want to do this, I want to repair this, this is what wrong with my system and all of that. So don't waste time, get into work and make lots and lots of money. Let's get into the next one. Soap making. You produce your own soap. There's a video that will teach you how to produce your own soap, the materials you're going to buy, the oils, the flavors, the fragrance, the natural ingredients, and all of that things that you're going to use to mix your soap. After molding the soap, if possible, you can do cartons or containers or packages that will help you make the soap look very unique. Then build platforms that you can sell these soaps online. You've made a product, and that's going to be very, very outstanding. You're going to make a lot of money from it. So that's it, soap making. And the next and the last business students should go into in school to make money from is content creations. If you're studying mass communication or any of these courses that has to do with communication and you're dealing with content, a lot of content, videos, dramas, comedies, and all of that, gather some few friends that you guys can do these things together. Be creative about your content. Could be comedy, could be dramas, could be anything you post online. Before you know it, you're going to be making a lot of money online as a student, and it's going to favor you massively. Then all of these niches and most of these jobs, if you are into product selling, if you decide to go into product selling, please remember there are platforms you can actually post your products and make money from them as well, like Jumia, Konga, and all of this. You can actually post your products there, and other people even outside school order for your products. And if you're into delivering services, create online platforms or blogs and open an online office, Google Workspace, and people will search for you. They will see you online. You're making your money. I believe more in online money making. Because that's my field. If you really enjoyed this video, please do not forget to click on the like button, that's the thumbs up button. Then do not forget to subscribe and also click on the notification bell so that you receive updates of every video I upload on Topnotch Business. Thank you so much for staying with me on Topnotch Business. This is Official Arabian. Peace out.
Zombie apocalypse.